So previous story we heard about Rolly and Rana. How they are fighting for a piece of cake. But what happened in the story? Monu came and he ate all the cake. So at last they learned the lesson that they must not fight, but they want to share the things. So what do you call this story? Already we learned. Okay, so these are called as folk tales. So today we are going to identify the folk tale as a story from long ago. Yes, so this is a folk tale. What is a folk tale? It's a story from long ago. Folk tales are the stories. They were so folk tales, these are the stories from long ago. Our parents, our ancestors, grandparents, they used to tell some stories by using some characters. So they are going to teach us the moral. So they are the stories long ago. They are the stories from long ago. So from many years these stories are coming from parents. They are sharing from their parents to children. So we say that these are the stories from long ago. And what are we going to learn? We are going to learn some moral. Okay? We are going to learn some moral. Moral means the good things. We learn some good things like sharing the things. We must not fight with each other. We want to share the things. Like this, we want to respect the elders. So some moral stories will be there. We want to read them and we want to find the morals from the stories. And there will be some characters. Yes. So in this, someone learns the lesson. Some characters will learn the lesson. So from the moral stories, from the folk tales, in the folk tales we can observe. So in the previous chapter here means a piece of the cake. So there who is learning the moral here. We observe that Rolly and Rana are learning the lesson that they must not fight with each other. They want to share the things. Yes. So there will be some characters. The characters learn lesson. The characters learn the lesson, and there also will be some characters which are teaching the lesson. Now who is teaching the lesson here? In this, the character Monu, the monkey, is teaching the lesson that they must not fight. So there will be some characters that teach the lesson. There will be some characters that teach lesson. So if you observe the folk tales, what are these all folk tales? So folk tales are the stories from long ago, and they learn some moral from, they teach us some moral. So we learn some moral and they teach us some moral from by using the folk tales. Also there will be some characters which learn the lesson. The characters are going to learn the lesson and some characters will teach the lesson. Previously, did you listen to a hare and a tortoise story? Many times we taught you the story. So let us discuss about the hare and the tortoise. So there is a hare and a tortoise. Hare is nothing but a rabbit. It's just like a rabbit. Yes? And also there is a tortoise. This small tortoise. They were both beginning, let us think they are friends. Okay? The hare and the tortoise. So this is a moral story, a folk tale from many years the parents are telling to us. So what happens here? The hare and tortoise. So once the hare says that, oh, you are very slow poke, you don't run fast, you are very slow. It used to tease. So it always used to tease the tortoise. So what did this tortoise said? Okay, you are always teasing me. So what we can do? Let us have a race. The tortoise said that we can have a race, we can run. Now what they did? They both had a race. The tortoise and the hare, the rabbit, they both thought to run for a race. Now what happened? Suddenly after running, because the hare can run very fast, what it did? It ran very fast. After running, it became weak, so it thought to sleep for some time. But the tortoise, it is walking very slowly and it is going on. Now after reaching to some place, hare is sleeping. It saw that the rabbit is sleeping. So what it did? Okay, it didn't stop running. So it started walking and it was walking. So it became evening. Suddenly the rabbit, the hare, what happened? It ran. Okay, it woke up. After waking up, what it did? It saw and it started running again very fast. But after reaching to to the ending point, it saw the tortoise already reached. So who won the game? The tortoise won the race. So here there are two characters, the tortoise and the hare. Now what is the moral of this story? We must not tease others here. The hare, the rabbit is teasing the tortoise. Yes? So what is happening here when it is teasing the tortoise? Tortoise said that we can have a race. Now in the race, though it can run fast, this rabbit had lose the game because it is sleeping. But tortoise, it ran slowly till the end and it won the race. So did you got the morals, children, here? So this story, it is a folk tale. It was story from long ago. We have some moral, they are telling some moral here, and we can see some character, a character learning the moral. Which character had learned the moral here? The hare had learned the moral. And which character has taught the moral? You can see that the tortoise had taught the lesson that I can win, so it had won the race. Now, basing on this story, we can complete our S2. Now, open your S2 page number 6. Can you see? Yes. Now, you want to fill in the boxes. So, can you see the story? You want to write the name of this folk tale. Already we learned the name of the folk tale. So, you want to write the name of the story and who are the characters in the story. So, write the names of the characters. And what lesson did they learn from the story? Basing on that lesson, what they learned, you want to write in your own sentences. Now, who learned the lesson? Who came to know the moral of the story? So, you want to write the character name who learned the lesson. And who helped these characters to learn the lesson? You know that very well. Yes? So, from the story, a piece of the cake, who helped them to learn the lesson, just write the name of the character who helped these characters to learn the lesson. Okay? Now complete your volume, page number 6, S2. Thank you, children.